Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make wine from cashew fruit, only way. Begin by selecting ripe cashew apples, wash them, and press to extract fresh juice quickly to prevent spoilage. Measure sugar to reach desired gravity, add pectic enzyme, then pitch yeast and maintain fermentation at a steady warm temperature. Monitor specific gravity, rack when clear, and bottle after aging for a pleasant, balanced flavor and lower astringency. Start by checking juice gravity and acidity, then add sugar to reach the target level for fermentation. Activate and pitch a reliable wine yeast, keeping the must at a steady warm temperature for consistent activity. Use pectic enzyme early to break down pectin and clear the wine later, and practice good sanitation to avoid contamination. Track specific gravity, and plan to transfer off lees to reduce off flavors and bitterness. After primary fermentation, allow the wine to settle and rack off sediment to improve clarity and taste. Consider fining agents to speed clarification, and keep the wine at a cool, stable temperature for gentle aging. Taste periodically and adjust if necessary, then stabilize and bottle when fully clear and stable to prevent refermentation. Label bottles with batch details and enjoy moderate cellaring to soften tannins and develop.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.